To change the display LCD on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the sensor PCB from the case. You may feel some resistance from the connection ports. Then, remove the remaining board from the case. Once removed, there is a small clip underneath the battery that you will need to unclip to remove a small tab. Finally, there are 2 small pins to the left and right of the battery. Carefully push these in to release the display. Gently push the underside of the display to remove it from its mount. Take your new display LCD and gently clip it back into the mount. Carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.